Okay, hello guys, my name is Daniel Müller from company Actron. I'm the sales manager here at Actron. Actron is a distribution company. We are concentrating on TFT technology, touch technology, and with our daughter companies we are talking about switches as well as power consumption things. Here actually we have our major line. It's TFT technology. TFTs from 3.5 to 7 inch. You may have seen such TFTs on different other suppliers around the world, but this line is a bit special. We made a lot of things to our mind in order to get these displays a bit more industrial, a bit more easier to use. Normally when you are using displays you have more or less a mess of different kinds of interfaces, a different number of pins, etc. With this display line, we have all sizes on one and the same interface. We have each 50 pins, all got the same pin description. We have, when you have a look here on the when you look on this one here, we got a special FPC design which is optimized regarding EMI issues. We have the backlight driver on top of it. We have the components here for beacon to make it pretty easy to drive the displays. For the displays itself, we have different technologies. We have IPS displays, and on other series we have TN panels. The difference is, at the end of the day, results in a good or better viewing angle. We have different kinds of capacitive touches on top of this, each with an overlay. We have I2C interfaces on the capacitive touch. Here comes directly the FPC coming out. The controller IC is on top of this one.